Okay, so I'm giving my pet peeve of the day, and that is when people do not put something over their mouth when they sneeze. I'm just gonna say it because I've seen so many people sneeze without doing, number one, the one that they teach you, right there with your elbow, or even number two, into your hand, or even into your jacket or your shirt, or just down toward the ground instead of like right at somebody. I'm just saying, this is my pet peeve of the day. Just do not sneeze and look in my direction. I don't know why. Maybe it's like the COVID in me is like coming back, like that period, that era of like sheer panic. But it's just wrong. Just like, or you know what? They say not to stifle a sneeze because you could explode from the inside out. But I don't believe that to be true. What do you think? Leave a comment. Bye. Don't forget to follow. Bye.